Awesome. Okay, so I've recorded my jingle, and I like how it sounds, except I think that some of my notes are a little bit behind. They come in late. So I've clicked on my Midi editor, okay? My Midi editor will allow me to move any of my notes in any way that I want, okay? If you notice, I only have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 notes, okay? 8 notes. I'm going to put my playhead all the way back at the beginning. And over here on the right-hand side, I'm going to zoom in. Now, I wanted this first note to happen right at the beginning, okay? I wanted this first note to happen right at the beginning. But if you notice, it was somewhere like right here. Where were we? It was right here. So all this space right here, it's late. If I click and drag it, I can put it where I want. I can use my scroll bar. I'm going to do the same thing. I want this one to start right at the number 2 line here. Click and drag. I want them all to be right on the line. There we go. See, we have the space here, right on the line. Now, you want to be careful because if we listen, that's a good note, but let me zoom out a little bit. You could accidentally drag one of these lines to the wrong note. Where are we? There we go. So we want this note here. You could go crazy. We want, make sure we stay on the right note. So in the Midi editor, we're making sure that our notes start in the right place. We don't want them late like this. Actually, that doesn't sound that bad, but I do want it to start right here, okay? Yeah, okay, awesome. So that was the Midi editor. It allows us to change our notes both in location and in starting point, okay? When you're finished, make sure that it sounds good. I like that. And save. Awesome. When you have saved it, please review it, okay? You can also add other tracks if you'd like. If you want to add more instruments, you absolutely can, okay? But you're only required to have just these drums and the piano, okay? Please, by all means, explore what other instruments you can have. We could change our grand piano to be an organ. Let's see. Ooh, that's cool. What if we do, let's see, electric piano. We could do Wurlitzer. That's a cool electric piano. We could change it to, let's do strings, string orchestra. There's a million different options. Ooh, so pretty, so pretty. All right, what if we did, what are guitars, electric guitars, classic metal guitar. I don't know if I like that so much. What else do we have for guitars? Dirty power chord. Let's see. It's a crazy world we live in, kids. All right.